Good morning class 10. Today we will do program number 3, and after doing the program number 3 you have to solve these two program of page number 266 question number 7 and page number 265 question number 13. This two is your homework which is similar to this program. Okay. So let's see what it is saying. Write a program to accept a string in lowercase and replace e with asterisk. So we have to enter a string in lowercase, and wherever we'll find a e, in that place we'll put an asterisk. Okay, and in the given string, and a new string will be formed. Like here you can see computer is written. So wherever the e is there, so there a asterisk is been put. So let's see. Here the comment is given, we are replacing e with asterisk, and the Java utility asterisk is given, public class replace, public void main string argument, the main method, and the declaration of the variable a and p. Then a string st string is also declared, and a character chr is also declared. We have taken a scanner, we are making a scanner object in, which is so we have imported util package. Now here system.out.print enter a string. We are saying to enter a string, and the string is being entered like computer. So this will be displayed like this, enter a string, and then you will enter the string computer science. So since we have said enter a string, the user may enter or may not enter also. We have to think of that. But here they have said you have to accept it in a lower case. So if the user might not have entered in a lower case, so what we'll do here, after getting the string, after entering the string, we are converting it into a lower case. Okay. In the comment you can write enter the string in lower case, but till then use this form, so that since it is said in the lower case, then everything will become lower. As here also, instead of checking once, you can check if it will be in the capital. We don't know whether they have entered in a lower case or a capital letter, so we have to check in two ways. But since here it is say accept a string in lower case, so we are converting it back to lower case. If by mistake if the user have entered it in upper case, it will get converted into lower case. So after entering the string, we have entered the string, and then we have converted it into lower case. Next thing is the length, st.length. So st.length, so length of the string. So length, when we are counting length, we are counting from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, space is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So p's value is 16. Now here the loop will go till 15. 0 to 15 is the 16, because when we'll count the index character, we'll count from 0. So when we'll count it from 0, so it will become, you see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here space is 8, here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here it is written the a is less than p. P is my 16, because when p I am counting length, I'll count from 1. So the last will be 16. So here it is said a is less than 16. So a will be what the index we are counting, isn't? So that is 15. So if 15 less than 16, then it will go. If 16 equal to 16, it will stop. So let's start the program. So here I see I have cut out the last one, because here the total changes will be here, and then what will happen after that, it is no need of this part, isn't? And here also, here there is no loop, nothing is there, so simply this two bracket is also not needed. Okay, so let's see now. For a is equal to 0, okay, a is 0, 0 is less than 16, condition is true, so it will enter here. So st dot character at a is c, isn't? So it will come here. For that I said you it is not needed, isn't? This 2 is not needed. Here it is not a condition. If is the condition, so here it will move, isn't? So you are checking ch is e. No, chr is not a e, so it will not enter this part. It will come to this part and it will print c. Okay, then it is moving. Then a is now 1 is less than 16, so it will come here o. So now c value is o, isn't? So o is not equal to e, so it will not enter here. Here it will come and give you o. Okay, then again it is moving. Now a is 2 is less than 16, so again it is going, it is m, isn't? So here now character at 2 is m, isn't? Character at 2 position is m. So m is not a e, it is also now, till now it is false, so it will not enter this part. It will come here and print m. Again it is moving. Now the a is 3, isn't? So in the 3 position, so you can see character at 3 position, what is there? P. Now it will become p. In the place of m it will come p. So till now the condition is false, it will not come here, it will come here and write p. Again it is moving. Now 4 is less than 16, condition true. So in the fourth place what it is? U is there, so it will give you u. And then here condition is false, so it will come here and print u. Okay, now here again, here a is 5 is less than 16, so in the fifth position what it is? Fifth position it is t is there, so instead of u now it will be t. So here again the condition is false, it will come to this part and type t. It will move back. Now 6 is less than 16, condition true, it will come here. Character as sixth position e, isn't? So e, so condition became true, so it will enter here. Then chr value is asterisk, so it will come to this part and chr it is saying, so it is going to put an asterisk. It will move back again. Now it is 7 is less than 16, so again it will come in the 7th position. Sorry, then in the 7th position it is r, isn't? So r is not equal to e, so it will come here and print r. It will move now 8 is less than 16, isn't? So character at 8th position is space, so instead of e now r it will be a space. I am not writing, yes, it is space is there. Okay, not equal to e, so it will go, and so here it will give you a space and it will move here again. Now it is 9 is less than 16, condition true, so again it will come here in the 9th position. What it is? S is there, so instead of this it will come s. Not equal, it will come here, space was there, here s. Again moving. Now it is 10th position, it is c is there, isn't? So instead of it will come c is not equal, so it will come here and print c. It will move back. Now 11th a is 11, isn't? 11, so in the 11th position what is there? I is there, so I, it is not equal, so it will come here and type I. Next again, now 12 is less than 16, condition true, it will come here, so it will come here. Character at 12th position what is there? E is there, so E, so condition is true, it will come here, and chr it will change to asterisk. Here it will give you an asterisk. So in this way it will go on continue till now till 16, 15 it will now end. So in the now 13 is less than 16, condition true, it will come here. Now in the 13 position what is there? N is there, so N. n is not equal, so it will come here and print n. Again moving. Now 14 is less than 16, isn't? So in the 14th place what it is? A. 14th place it is C. So C is not equal, so it will come here and print. Now again it is going. Now 15th. 15 is less than 16, so condition true. So in the 16th position you can see character at 15th position, it is E, isn't? So E, so condition became true, so CHR became asterisk. So it is going to put an asterisk here. Now it is going to change. Now A is 16, 16 is less than 16, so condition is false now. So what will happen? It will come out of the loop. So you can see it is same way as it is displaying here, isn't? So in the similar way you will be doing these two program and send it in my WhatsApp number.